Hi, I'm Kush. So I created a project called AdBox. So yeah, let's go to it. Yeah, so let's say a small brand that wants to advertise and needs a copywriter, director, retoucher, ad generation, or any models. So anyone wants to sell online anything. So replace that whole pipeline with one sentence. This is ad in a box, powered by Akamai, Inference Cloud, and Magnific. So let's say I type one sentence, a luxury perfume in a crystal bottle, and hit generate. So let's do that. Yeah, so let's create this one, as you can see, by using the Magnific. So then the big so what so the two LLMs on the Akamai inference cloud go to the work, achieve fast Qwen 3 8 billion right parameters, right 6 ad concept, and the bigger Qwen 3 14 billion parameters run exactly once as the art director. Here's our core idea. Like the smart model doesn't make images, it writes the parameters for Magnific. So the exact image prompt, lighting direction, the creativity dial, the upscale factor chosen per product per channel. So and also so it on click it generates ad, it generates money shot. Every creative runs a three-stage magnific pipeline, text to image, relight engine, and that lighting was decided by the LLM. Then the upscaler rebuilds texture of 4 to 8x, and so video ads. I also added the video ads plus live CTAs. Billboards don't move, feeds do. So the hero creative ads become a 5-second ad video generated by Magnific video engine from Relit, and every call to action is live click experience it. Yeah, so let's see the whole demo. As you can see, yeah, so it's like a one sentence a platform ready ad creative, which I explained earlier. So let's generate it. As you can see, so let's talk about Akamai inference and spend leisure. I initialized to use the Akamai GPUs. So I use the Akamai GPU by using the Cloudflare tunnel to this workshop. To use this workshop infra, I created a Cloudflare tunnel and access the all the infra and GPU from this. So let's go back to that. So so its fast star handled it 38.9% of the tokens, and the smart tier we ran 1x. So the total LLM cost was like 0.0013 dollars and like 38 magnific credits. So I use like the two models for the token optimization from the Akamai for this magnific. So what I use like these two models as I explained earlier, and so I use the relight upscale draft and the video generation, image generation for the Magnific. It calls the Magnific to the MCP server. It gives you the estimated cost for making their ads and the e-commerce listing, so that the brands can know how much cost is that. As you can see, they can also compare it with it. They can create the discover descent. You can see all their how will the ads look. They can also see the ad video, as you can see. So this is the ad video which they can see. They can experience it and see it in the Google Ads, or how will the e-commerce will list it. So they can also download it and draft it. If I go to this listing factory, so it's in just a folder of messy seller photos. The Akamai LLM writes the SEO titles and description and decides the enhancement params per image, and Magnific runs background removal, relight, upscale into clean storefront ready shots, and aggregates the listing into copy you can paste into the marketplace. So as I run this factory, it gives you the cost to save, and it is used the 18 Magnific credits. So Akamai is handling the cost usage from the both LLMs. And yeah, so as you can see, this was a messy, as you and you can see the brand ready photo. This let be a smartwatch or sneakers or a purse which are selling online. So you can get to know and use the Magnific for this and to this MCP server. So it turns the messy photos into the good marketable listings photos in this e-commerce website, as you can see. So you can use this copy listing and list it on your Google Ads, be it Shopify or any other eBay or any other listing platforms. You can also download it and also copy the listing, and it directly deploys it to the Shopify or and eBay or any other e-commerce listing which you want from this. Yeah, so by this our product, many brands can save their money through Akamai and do more creative in the less from the Magnific using both Akamai and Magnific. Yeah, that was my demo.